In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background in Alight Motion. We'll walk through this step by step so that even if you're new to the app, you'll be able to follow along and get a clean, professional-looking result. First, open the Alight Motion app on your device and create a new project. Choose the resolution and frame rate you want to work with, ideally matching the final platform you're posting to. For example, if you're making a vertical video for social media, choose a vertical aspect ratio. Once your project is created, you'll see the main timeline at the bottom and the preview window at the center. Next, import the video or image that you want to remove the background from. Tap the plus icon, choose Media, then select your clip from your device. Once it appears on the timeline, make sure it's selected so you can apply effects to it. Now we'll apply the background removal. In Alight Motion, this is usually done with effects like chroma key or a luma or color-based key, depending on your footage. If your subject was filmed in front of a solid green or blue screen, tap on the layer, go to the Effects menu, and add a keying effect such as chroma key. Use the Color Picker tool to tap on the background color in your preview. You'll immediately see most of that background disappear. From here, carefully adjust the settings like threshold, similarity, or softness to refine the key. Increase the threshold slowly until most of the background is gone. But be careful not to erase parts of your subject. Use edge softness or feathering to avoid harsh, jagged outlines around your subject. Take your time at this stage. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how natural the final result looks. If your background isn't a perfect solid color, you may need to combine the keying effect with masking. Add a mask to your layer and use basic shapes or a freehand mask to cut out unwanted areas around the edges. Animate the mask if your subject moves a lot, keeping it close but not cutting into the subject. Once the background is removed to your satisfaction, add your new background. This can be a solid color, an image, or another video. Import it as a separate layer and drag it below your subject layer in the timeline, so it appears behind them. Finally, preview your video from start to finish. Look for any leftover background patches or flickering edges, and make final tweaks to your effects or masks. When you're happy with the result, export the video using your preferred settings, and you're done.